Nikki too. And I am Stella. Hello, everyone. Hey, Stella. Hi. Do you want to tell everyone out there about a song that you've been learning? Oh yeah, I'd love to tell about a song I've been learning. Do you all want to hear a song? Well, I'm Stella, and I love telling Stella songs. All right, so it's a call and response song. Oh, is it? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing a verse, and then you'll sing the next verse. Oh, that sounds like so much fun. Does everyone want to do that? If you want to do that, put your hands in the air. Yay! Yay! All right, we got that down. So you want to learn a song? Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Okay, Stella, go ahead. Oh, I forgot it. Stella, come on, you gotta remember. No, I forgot it. Oh, come on, Stella, come on, you gotta tell us a song. Okay, fine. The more we get together. It's your turn. The more we get together. Together. The more we get together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The happier we'll be. 'Cause my puppet show is your puppet show, and your puppet show is my puppet show. 'Cause your puppet show is my puppet show, and my puppet show is your puppet show. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we'll get together, the happier we'll be. That's it. Round of applause, maybe? Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 everyone out there. Oh, well, what should we do now? Well, seeing as how we're up on top of your tree house, I would like it if we took a moment. What's that sound, Stella? Look out our window, Stella. Oh, it's the rocket! I wonder who's in there this time. What? That wasn't very good. Well, it's our first time making a rocket go. Well, I didn't really like it. Let's see if the cat's here. Ding dong! Cat! Cat, are you here? Meow! 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 Oh! Cat says it's like to say a story for us. Oh, well, what kind of cat story would you like to tell? Meow. Oh, he doesn't want to tell a cat story. Oh, all right. Well, what story would you like to tell us today? I think he said he wanted to talk about spring flowers because it's getting close to springtime. It is actually getting close to springtime, and flowers do come up around this time of year. Meow. Oh, he wants to tell a story about me, about you. The one where a little girl comes to her little garden, and plants a seed. And then she waits and waits and waits. Well, you know, if you plant a seed, it's not just going to grow just like that. You're going to have to give it something else, right? Oh, right, of course. We're going to have to get it water. Water! Oh, I know. You pretend to have a water can in your pocket. In my pocket? I can't fit anything in my pocket. Well, you could just, pretend. Or how about we, oh, wait, I know. How about I say something magical like, let it rain, and then rain comes down. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, everybody, I want you to shoot your hands up into the air, and if you are standing, great. If you're not standing, stand up, and let's do like a little rain dance. Ah, rain dance, rain dance, rain dance. Whoa, Stella, where'd that come from? All right, are you doing the rain dance, everybody? Let it rain! And so it rained. Wow! Well, the little girl got tired of waiting there, of course, so she went for a little walk. And when she was on her walk, a little chicken came along. Oh, let me fix your little leg, you poor little chicken. Well, chickens like to peck. So, of course, this chicken began to peck. And maybe only a couple seeds were left. Well, the girl came back to see if the flower had grown at all. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. It still hasn't grown. Oh, what's that? Got it! The flower! No, Stella, you're not supposed to pick the flower yet. It hasn't even blossomed. What? You're gonna have to wait a little while longer. Do you have any more seeds? Maybe you could put some more seeds down, just in case. Oh, okay, I have more seeds over here. There we go. Seeds. Okay, now we're gonna have to do that rain dance again. All right, everybody, are you ready? Let's do the rain dance. La 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 la, shake it, shake it, shake it. And the water came down. All right, flower, grow, grow, grow. I'm gonna go have a snack. Stella, the little girl, of course, went for a snack. And then she came back. I've decided I'm not gonna wait for this flower, and I'm gonna eat some cake. Stella! What? That is a big piece of cake. You don't need to have that cake all to yourself. Yes, I do. It's so yummy. You would eat a whole piece of cake too, right? Yes, Stella. However, what? You want a piece? Well, maybe I do. Well, here you go. No, I don't want the part that you bit on. Why not? Well, because I want a new fresh piece. Like, you can't have a new fresh piece. This is the last one. Whatever. I'm just going to go take it back then. All right. So while she was waiting for the flower to grow, and of course she tried picking it, and then all of a sudden, it started to come up. There it is! I found it! I'm gonna pick. Wait, Stella. What? Don't pick the flower yet. It's not ready. It's just starting to come up. Ah, but I want it to come up, and then I want to pick it, and then I want to bring it to my table. Stella, you have to wait your turn, right, Meow? Meow. Right. So, she waited, and she waited, and she waited. Well, I'm gonna go for another walk. While she was on her walk, something else happened. Trample, 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 trample. No! Trample, 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 trample. Well, when the girl came back from her little walk once again, somebody's been trampling on my flowers. Oh no, they were never gonna grow. I knew I should have picked it. Oh, Stella. Well, Meow, what do you say? Oh, a little bit of magic goes a long way. Of course. Stella, let's do our magic dance. Okay, I'll go get my scarf. Here it is. All right. There. La 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 la. Grow, grow. Huh. I'm sure getting tired. I think I'm gonna go for another nap. Well, Nikki, too, you stay here while I go for a nap. Watch the flower, will you please? Okay, I'll watch the flower. So the little girl went to sleep. And while she was sleeping in her beautiful bed, the flower began to grow. And the next morning, when the little girl came out of her bed, I wonder if that flower's grown. There it is! Oh, so exciting! I'm gonna pick it! Oh, now it's gone. What? Why is my flower gone? Well, Stella, sometimes when things grow in the ground, it's better if we just leave them there and admire them. I thought maybe you learned that lesson when you picked it the first time. Wow. Well, what have you learned? Well, meow. I sure feel foolish. Well, I learned that you need lots of patience for things to grow. You need water. You need a little bit of magic. But that's not everything. Sometimes you have to appreciate it just for what it is. Something growing in the earth, and you cannot destroy it. And I guess that's a valuable lesson for all the kids out there. As your mom and dad and your friends and your sisters and your brothers are growing their flowers, remember not to always pick them before. Go and ask and make sure. Because some flowers do need to be picked. Like, I know, pansies. That's right, pansies love you to take their heads off so that they can grow new ones and they'll continue to flourish. But be sure you ask your mom and dad. And you can eat those ones too. That's right, you can eat those ones. Wow, Stella, you were so much fun to play with today. I'm sure glad that you came. Are you guys glad? I think they're jumping up and down out there. Are you jumping up and down out there? Yay! I hope you are, because today it's all about being wacky, moving your body, planting things, allowing things to grow, and letting it set its course. Set its course? Yeah, like it just needs to happen the way it's supposed to happen, and we don't need to force it. Right. Well, that was our story for today. Happy Wacky Wednesday! Happy Wacky Wednesday! Bye from all of us at Puppets on the Move. And bye to the kitty and her cute little house. Bye-bye! Do-do-do-do-do-do.